Hi everyone, my name is Nardus. I am the manager and chief service engineer of Gencotech, and today I want to speak to you about our newest laser desktop board that got recently launched from GCC, namely the E200 40-watt laser engraver cutter. You can see on the top lid there's a big black strip that lies this. This is a CCD camera that's installed in the machine. This allows the user to take screenshots or a snapshot of the cutting area. You will maybe wonder why, but for example, like a piece of material that's inside the machine that's already been cut like this, if you have a picture of this whole area, you can easily see where is areas that you haven't engraved or used yet. And when you do your artwork, you can just place it inside these areas. Or if somebody, this was actually drawn by my daughter, you can put a drawing like this on the working area, take a snapshot of this picture, and use the software that is included inside the machine to take to trace the picture and then engrave or cut it onto your working area. Okay, I just quickly want to show you about the special feature of the camera inside the machine, the CCD camera. So in my Smart Job software that comes with the machine, I will simply press capture picture, and this will take a snapshot or a photo of my working area. It will take a second or two just to load it in. There we go. So you can see my piece of wood lying on my working area, and now I can see exactly which areas I can still use of this piece of wood that's finished without taking time to measure with a ruler, or sometimes people just throw these offcuts away because it's just too much of work to figure out where to cut and engrave. So I will import my work. You can import EPS, Adobe Illustrator files, PDFs, JPEGs. For this image, I'm just opening it. You can see there's my GCC logo, so I can either put it there, wherever there's a piece of material left. So I'm just going to put it over here, adjust my parameters for engraving and cutting. My power is 100%, speed I'm going to make 2.5, and the output for engraving 100% speed, and maybe just use about 65% power. And I'm going to press OK and print. Okay, just to show another feature about the CCD camera. This is a picture drawn by my daughter. So any customer can draw something like an artist or something, they can make a sketch of it, and we can place it inside the machine. Straight in the bed. The software will capture the working area with the picture, and built into the software it has a tracing function that I will show you in a second, just after it's completing the screenshot of the picture. So I have it over here, and what I will do is I will just say trace background. Yeah, my picture's over there. I don't want the whole area, so I will just crop it. And I will say update preview. You can see it, that the trace line around it. I will say OK. I don't want to edit anything else, and there you can see my picture is lying over here. The traced image, I will just remove the drawing from the machine. I will put in my wood, close it. Capture the screen where I want you see where my material or my wood is lying on the bed. If there's holes, but in this case this one Haven't got any cut holes or anything inside it. So you will actually see my picture much better now once the wood is in the background. So you can see there's my picture that I scanned and traced. I'm just going to make it much smaller. Maybe just put a cylindrical piece behind it, like this. Arrange it, move it to the front. Place it inside, nicely inside this unit. Like this. This outline that I clicked on now is the cylinder. This will only be my cut file. Okay, and the inside will be my engraving file. And it's ready. I think I will just flip it like this so it will be much quicker to engrave and print.